Most people think you only have two choices when investing. Either put everything in ETFs and accept average returns, or pick stocks and take huge risks. But that's a false choice. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple long-term portfolio that stays low stress, while still giving you the chance to outperform the market. Simplicity in investing does not mean settling for average. It means being selective, focused and patient. You don't need 30 stocks, you don't need to trade, and you don't need to predict the economy. What you need is a structure that lets good decisions compound over time. Now let's talk honestly about ETFs. ETFs are useful. They provide diversification, low fees, and a smooth starting point. For many investors, ETFs are a great foundation. But here's the reality. ETFs guarantee market returns, not outperformance. And if you're willing to learn, be patient, and think like a business owner, individual stocks can offer much higher long-term returns. Here's what a simple stock-focused portfolio can look like. This is not trading. This is owning great businesses for many years. You don't need constant action, you need conviction. Now, ETFs can still play a role as a stabilizer, as a starting point while you learn, or as a diversification anchor. But they don't need to be the centerpiece. The centerpiece should be your best ideas. When you pick individual stocks, allocation matters more than diversification. Concentration creates outperformance, and discipline controls risk. Most people think stock investing is stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Low-stress stock investing means infrequent decisions, long holding periods, ignoring daily price movements. You don't reduce stress by avoiding stocks. You reduce stress by understanding what you own. Here's what destroys stock portfolios: chasing stories, constant buying and selling, and confusing volatility with risk. A focused portfolio of great businesses beats a scattered one. A simple portfolio doesn't mean a passive one, it means intentional ownership. If this video helped you rethink portfolio construction, like it so more investors can find it. Subscribe if you want weekly stock analysis and long-term investing education. And comment below, do you prefer owning great companies or broad market exposure?